What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the Tinyhawk Freestyle again, doing some more prop testing. This time I have the King Kong 2535 quad blades out here. Previously I tested the Racer Star 2435 quad blades, and I'm using this same 550 2S pack from GMB that I taped up. So we're just basically going to test punch out and flight time with this. So let's get it. Really not doing any FPV with it because it seems to be a lot of interference in this area here. And this VTX isn't so great to start with. Morning, how you? Yeah, are you ready to take it up?
Time to go to work, right?
Yeah, actually I gotta be to work in a little while. My other job. So let's fire this little guy up. I did have to use the screw mounts for these props. Some line of sight. So right off, very quiet, just like the other props. Just like the stock Avon Rush props. And those Racer Star 2435 props. So let's try a punch out. Still really nice punch out. Seems like these might be working on the descent a little better than the Racer Stars, that is, than the 2435 props. I hear less oscillation. Let's try it. Yeah, definitely less oscillation. I barely heard any on that descent there. These are fast props. Definitely. So very comparable in speed. Bring it down here. Let's do another punch out. Punch out is really nice. Look at it again. A bird tried to go after it for a second there. Let's do another punch out. Very quiet. I like the sound of these props. It might be a little more quiet than the Racer Star 2435. I heard some of the oscillation there on that stop there. I think we're going to occasionally hear some though. No tune is going to be perfect. I do have a buzzer installed on this. Let's just test to make sure the buzzer is working correctly. Yep. So it's going to give us the same notice of LVC. So we can come down at the right time. That's another advantage over the D-Shot commands. When you use that as a lost alarm model, well, a lost model alarm, you can't use it to notify you at LVC. In other words, give you a low voltage warning. I don't know if they can even do that. They should be able to. I don't see why not. Add that to D-Shot commands. But the main benefit of having a physical buzzer is that it's louder. A buzzer can make a lot more noise than a motor can make from those D-Shot commands. Still no buzzer on the punch outs or anything. And I'm doing a few punch outs. Do a punch out from right up above. Really awesome machine here. I love this thing. Does have a few concerns with it though. I do have a few concerns. I will voice my opinion about this little machine on my review. Still didn't do my review. It's coming up though. I think I've had enough time with this little machine. I've crashed it, beat it up. It's hit the ground on it's hit the concrete a couple times. And it's still intact. Everything is still intact. I did chop off the battery connector there. So we got some of the buzzer there. And the buzzer is going off a little. That's just time to bring it in. So that's it. Pretty decent flight time with these props too. Even though I had to use these mounting screws to hold it down because they fit a little loose on the motors there, so it would slip if you didn't put these mounting screws in. Pretty decent little flyer with these. Very quiet. I like it. Awesome punch out too. Thanks for watching.